Hello, today I thought I'd be talking about this Black Legion survival folding knife. It is 4 3/4 inch closed. It's got a 3.5 inch blade, assisted opening, plastic handle scales, liner lock, belt clip. There's the lineup of the blade. Has a ferro rod and a whistle. Straight edge. Single thumb stud. The thickness of the blade. I did scrape some of the black painting off to help on a fire starter. But that's the Black Legion fire starting survival folding knife. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments if you'd like. Subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you.